Mouth, we're going to go over the glands. So for the salivary glands, where is my parotid gland?
This part is where you can find the parotid gland.
My submandibular gland?
This is the mandible, and the area in here, the ramus, is where you can find the mandibular salivary gland.
My sublingual gland?
Under your tongue, that's where you can find the sublingual gland.
My esophagus?
There's a tube right here going down, and behind that tube, the pharynx, you can find the esophagus, which goes straight to the stomach.
My gastroesophageal sphincter?
It's the last 4 centimeters of the esophagus joining the stomach. That's where you can find the gastroesophageal sphincter. Here, like this.
This is the stomach. The primary purpose of the stomach is to store chyme and also allow small amounts to enter the duodenum. With the stomach, where is the fundus?
This is the fundus.
The body?
The body.
The greater curvature?
This one is the greater curvature.
The lesser curvature?
Lesser curvature.
The pyloric sphincter?
Pyloric sphincter should be found in here, which is...
And this would be my duodenum. The greater omentum?
Yeah, what's up?
Well, from the stomach into the duodenum is the pyloric sphincter. Moving into the small intestine, starting with the duodenum, which would be right here.
And the other part of the small intestine is the jejunum, which is this part, goes like that, and then the last part of it connecting to the large intestine is the ileum, which you can find the ileocecal sphincter. The first part of the large intestine is with the ileum as the last part of the small intestine. It's connected to the first part of the large intestine, which is the cecum. So this is where we can find the ileocecal sphincter. And going up, this is the ascending part of the large intestine. It goes up this way, ascending, and it goes this way, which is transverse. It goes down with a descending colon of the large intestine.
So now we're going to do an experiment. We're actually going to use a soda can of Diet Coke, a tube, a rubber glove, this is supposed to represent the stomach, and another tube that represents the small intestines. We're going to actually put Mentos inside the glove, showing how the stomach actually digests the food, and then the pressure from the Mentos are going to push the liquid out.
Food, like candy or soda pop, goes down the esophagus into the stomach, through the gastroesophageal sphincter, then through the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum and small intestine. When you chew food, it turns into a bolus and goes down your esophagus with peristaltic contractions. When it enters the stomach, it mixes with the hydrochloric acid and then moves into the duodenum.
Okay, stop.
This is what happens when you drink pop and it goes into your stomach. As you see, the stomach is enlarging. And small amounts are being pushed into the small intestine.
Leave.